Hey everyone, if you are going to be doing some laying out in the sun, you cannot beat this Chaise lounge chair. It's perfect for laying out. Let me show you how it works. Just simply gonna fold it up to put it away. And we've got the bottom legs down here that fold in really easily. To carry it around, they give you a nice shoulder strap here. It's also adjustable, so it's really easy to sling over a shoulder. But let's unfold it again and I'll show you the adjustment that you have. Make sure the legs are popped out all the way, and then it's just a matter of flipping it over. Let me put the headrest the other way. We will flatten that out, and then here you can go all the way back and you'll hear those clicks as this moves up. You've got a full range of adjustment here on the backrest. The really cool part about this chair is for whenever you're laying out and you want to lay down, face down, they give you this nice headspace here with this cushion slash pillow all the way around where you would put your face, and you can actually look down through this. So that's really cool, and if you don't want to use that, you just fold it away. Also, there's a pillow that will flip around here that you can use as a backrest for your head. And if you want to add a little bit more cushioning to that, you could use those two together. Now, the really cool thing about this chair is if you're a reader or you want to be on your phone, you've got this headspace where you can put your head flat and look down through, but then they also have these cutouts here where you can actually stick your arms down in. So if you want to lay face down while you're reading a book or you're on your phone, you can do that. It's just a really nice, convenient feature to have on a chair like this. You really can't beat the value proposition on this chair if you're looking for something to lay out on. It's fantastic. It folds up really easily. It's got your handle to carry around, and it also stores in a really compact space. It's nice and flat. Great price point, can't beat it. I'd highly recommend it.